Hey. So that's my timer. So I've been a web developer for 25 years, and it was about 5 years ago. I was looking for freedom tech to build my apps on because I got tired of fiat client work, and I was looking for two things. My shopping list had two things, only two things. I was looking for a platform to build apps on that you don't own. That the app is not going to own the user's content or the user's identity. And that simple shopping list, it took me 3 years to find Nostr. Once I found Nostr, I don't look back because that's the only solution. So I'm here to tell you why this only solution is also freedom for users and freedom for apps. If you don't mind, I'm going to step off the side. A social app is any app that allows users to interact. Remember that. That's the most important thing to remember from this whole presentation is this is what a social app is, allows any user to interact. A social layer adds value to any app. Likes and follows and ratings and comments and reviews and shares, any content created for other users adds value to any app. We've learned that through Web 2.0. A connected social layer adds even more value. I'm getting to the point here. I'm warming you guys up to what is this concept of a social app. Greenfield apps with a connected social layer get a warm start to launching their product. Every app is access to user data from other apps. Yeah, that's the benefit of a connected social layer. Offload account creation and management to the social layer. But also, social apps are the target of increasing regulations. Data protection laws, they're all great intended, but age verification laws, content moderation laws, we could go on. And access to a connected social layer is only available via private APIs. Big Social restricts API access and cancels accounts anytime they want, period. Nostr is freedom for every app. Nostr is the only social protocol that offers freedom for every app to operate independently on a network of shared users with unrestricted access to engage directly with any one of them. This freedom is unique to Nostr. There is no other platform. I looked for years. It's not a platform, it's a protocol. Regardless of network size or vulnerability, regardless, even with one relay and one app and one user, the protocol itself preserves freedom by allowing these entities to be distinct. Now remember that one. We think the protocol empowers freedom for users because it exists, period, and that's true. But the protocol empowers freedom for apps by allowing every app, every entity to exist independently. Separation of concern is exactly what distinguishes Nostr as the freedom protocol. Freedom on Nostr looks like this. These are your key managers, your signers. This is your app. This is your social app living on your phone. This is what David and I built, Web of Trust algorithms. They live in the cloud. This is the relays where your user's data is stored. This is the architecture that empowers freedom. With this clean separation, there are no controllers of user accounts or data. This is where the magic starts. Data protection. Data protection laws intend to protect users from exploitive apps. If users control their own data, it cannot be exploited. Data protection laws target social apps acting as data controllers. Apps acting only as data processors, these are legal terms, are not mentioned. Only on Nostr can social apps simply be just data processors. Only on Nostr. Age verification. Age verification laws surveil on everyone in order to protect minors. We love our kids, but that's not necessary. It's not just like overreach. It's just not necessary. We have a better solution. Decentralized web of trust is more effective anyway. Why is it more effective? I'm just going to hover on that. It's not more effective because it's a better surveillance. It's not more effective because we get to get everybody's information. It's more effective at the thing that we want to do, which is keeping bad content away from good people. That's what Web of Trust is better at doing. Age verification laws, account creation is the gateway for age verification, for identity verification. You create an account, you get your identity checked, you get the KYC. Social apps that don't create accounts are not mentioned. That's a brain buster there. Have you ever seen a social app that doesn't create an account? Nostr can do this. Only on Nostr can social apps simply just not create accounts. Infrastructure bloat. Legacy apps are all but required to manage their own social layer backend. On Nostr, relay servers are independent of client apps. Only on Nostr can social apps simply just not have a backend. This frees your app to do what it's designed to do, which is provide value for the users. You provide a better value for the users, you have a successful app, you're done. It's simple. Access to users. Assuring unrestricted access to all users on a network requires that no single app controls these users. It's just math. Nostr empowers a connected social layer by putting users in control of their own accounts and data. Only on Nostr can apps have access to a universally connected social layer. Nostr 4. That's what I'm starting a company called Nostr 4, consultation company, helping people, helping apps to integrate Nostr. We are creating legally robust documentation for apps to leverage freedom technology. We are building software tools for apps to leverage freedom technology. Think remote key generation. That's what I'm working on right now. Like, that started to exist a year ago. That's what I'm bringing back to Nostr because we need that for apps to be free. We are Nostr integration experts offering consultation services for apps to embrace freedom technology. When I say we, I mean me. And we are looking for financial support to create free and open source tools like the documentation and the software I've just described. Legal expertise to make robust documentation. I'm no lawyer. Sales and marketing talent to sell consultation services so that we can bring more apps onto Nostr. If you are interested in freedom for social apps, that's all I got to say.